How to send USDT from Binance to Binance using your PayID. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So let's start by opening up our Binance and head over to your Pay section by clicking on More Services and then click on this Pay option. Now once you are in, this is where you can find your PayID on the top of your screen, which you can copy. Now you just need to send this to the particular person that is sending you the USDT. Otherwise, if you are sending the USDT, you can simply click on the send option. Then click on Binance ID and simply paste your particular Binance ID of that particular person that you want to send the USDT, and then click on continue. By default, this is going to select USDT. You can also select any other coin. Otherwise, simply enter the amount and click on continue on the bottom, and then this is going to show you some options like pay with funding wallets, or you can go with the currency as well. Otherwise, click on deposit now on the bottom of your screen, and that person will going to receive USDT with your Binance ID. So hope this helped. This is how you can send USDT from Binance to Binance using PayID.